A Danish physicist, Hans Ørsted, is in the middle of a classroom demonstration when he notices something incredible. He's showing his students how electric current flows through a wire, but then he notices that a nearby compass needle deflects whenever the current is switched on. This unexpected observation reveals a hidden connection between electricity and magnetism. It's early 1820s. Ørsted's discovery sparks the curiosity of another scientist, André-Marie Ampère. Inspired by Ørsted, Ampère explores this phenomenon further and formulates the mathematical theory behind it, showing that electric currents create magnetic fields. Then, in 1821, Michael Faraday takes this concept to the next level. He builds a simple device that converts electrical energy into mechanical motion, the first electric motor. By placing a free-moving wire carrying a current into a magnetic field, Faraday demonstrates how the wire moves, creating what we now call the motor effect. This breakthrough leads to the development of electric motors, which power countless devices we use today, from household appliances to electric cars. Imagine the thrill of discovering a principle that transforms energy into motion. If you could invent a new device based on the motor effect, what would it be and why? Let's brainstorm in the comments.